Pwede ko bang palakpakan natin ang ating mga sarili? Dahil po, with your help, we were able to achieve what we have today. I am pleased to share that Tarlac University had made a significant progress in achieving institutional targets, guiding by our strategic plan and commitment to excellence.
Everyone, the unveiling of the TAU 2025-2035 strategy framework.
I could not create this ECG framework alone by myself. I know, with the help of my ADCO members, hindi ako nagkamali po ng pagpili sa inyo.